and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for restaurant business. So as the owner of a restaurant, I receive a lot of queries on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot with an AI agent. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build an AI agent with a WhatsApp chatbot to reply to these queries instantly. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, that means an AI agent with a WhatsApp chatbot using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And then whenever a user is going to send a message to our WhatsApp chat, then automatically our AI agent is going to reply to that message. So here if you wish to learn about this process step by step, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot that can handle customer queries like menu info, bookings and order updates all on autopilot. Alright, so as you all know that as a restaurant owner, I get a lot of customer messages every day asking about our menu, opening hours, table bookings and order status. So replying to each message manually takes up a lot of time and sometimes leads to delays in response. So by building an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot, I can automate replies to common questions, take reservations, share the menu and even collect feedback, all without needing to be online 24/7. This not only saves me time but also gives my customers instant answers and a smoother experience, which helps build trust and keeps them coming back. Alright, so here on the screen you can see my Pabbly Chat Flow account's AI assistant window. That means here we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using an AI assistant. That means we are going to create a chatbot based on an AI assistant. Alright, so now here before moving forward with the building, let me tell you that I have already created an AI assistant over here for my restaurant. And now here firstly we are going to see the working of this chatbot to understand the entire process more clearly. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So let's suppose that I am a customer over here and I'm going to drop a text over here to this chat as I need a help. And here you can see we have received the messages, of course, what do you need a help with. So I'm going to give the message as give menu. And here you can see we have received the entire menu over here. And now I'm going to ask about the delivery. So I'm going to write the text as tell me about the delivery. And here you can see we have received the delivery information as well. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chat Flow. So on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's homepage and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot with an AI agent, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow and here let me tell you that I have already set up my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chat Flow account step by step, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below and on our YouTube channel as well. So here let me give an overview that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. So for that you need to click on this add a WhatsApp number button given over here, and from here you will be able to see two options that are WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method. That means you must use this particular method to connect your WhatsApp number over here. So if you wish to learn about this method in detail, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. And then comes the Manual Token Connect. So here you can see it is asking for the Meta Access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So basically here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta. And once you're going to set up the account, automatically you're going to receive all these details. And after adding the details over here, you need to click click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here let me tell you the amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers are available in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. So now here let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So here by using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contacts. So by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queues. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each team member over here. Then comes the templates, and here under templates you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messaging for your WhatsApp message. Then comes the flow. So here by using this particular feature, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity log. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your activities of Pabbly Chatflow account at one place. Then comes the settings. So here under settings, you can see some amazing features as well. So here if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help options. By using this option, you can get a response to all your queries regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the features, and now here we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot with an AI agent for our business. So for that, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is AI assistant, given in the left side bar. And now here under the AI assistant, you can see the AI assistant that I've already created for my business over here. So we are going to create a new AI assistant. So for that, we are going to click on this add AI assistant, and then here it is asking me to give a name to my AI assistant. So I'm going to give my business name over here, that is Spicecraft Bistro, and here after giving the name, I'm going to click on this add AI assistant. And then here it is asking me to set up the AI instructions. So here firstly we need to select the instruction type for our own custom prompt or pre-built examples. So here we are going to select the instruction type as AI agent, and as soon as we have selected the instruction type, automatically the instructions are updated over here. Alright, moving forward, and then here it is asking me to set the temperature. So it says range will be from 0 to 1, where 0 is reserved and 1 is creative. That means if I want to make this chatbot very creative, then I need to enter the temperature as 1, and else I can set the 0 or middle of the 0 or 1. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.7 over here. Moving forward, and it says select the AI to use. So here I want to select the AI that I want to use to build this AI assistant. So here I'm going to select my AI as OpenAI only, and then here it is asking me to select the model. So I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini, and then here it is asking me to enter the API token. So here I'm going to enter the API token that I have received in my OpenAI account. So let me add the token over here. Alright, so now you have to entering the API token. I'm going to click on this connect, and it says OpenAI key saved successfully. That means we have successfully connected our API token with the Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, so let's move forward, and then we are going to click on this knowledge source, and then here is asking me to update the knowledge source. So here I'm going to upload a knowledge base file for the chatbot over here. So I'm going to drag a file from my file manager. So this is the file that I've already created in a text format. So this is a knowledge base for my particular restaurant, and here you can see the entire file uploaded over here. Alright, so now you have to uploading the knowledge base. We are going to click on this assistant interface, and here we can select the header display heading name. That means the name over here. So I'm going to add my brand name over here, that is Spicecraft Bistro. And then here for the header display subheading name, you can update it as per your need. I'm not going to update it for now. And here I'm also not going to add any initial messages. You can add more messages if you want. So the initial message will indicate the message over here. Alright, moving forward, and here for the display, the powered by Pabbly label. So here you can see the powered by Pabbly label over here. So it is asking for this particular things. So for that I'm going to select enable, but you can select disable as well. So I want to enable it, and then here for the footer text, you can add some other text. Then privacy policy, so here I want this only, so I'm not going to update it. Similar with the footer link, and here then it asks for user first message. So here I'm going to keep the message as I need help over here, or else you can update the message as well. So let's update it, hey, I need help. All right, and then here is asking for the fallback message. So it says it is the fallback message when API is not responding correctly. So if our API is unable to respond correctly, then automatically this fallback message is going to be sent to our user. So for that, I'm going to update a fallback message over here. All right, so here I've successfully added a fallback message, and with this we have successfully completed the setting up of our AI assistant. So now here, after setting up the AI assistant, you can add this chatbot on your website as well. And for that, you need to click on this embed code, and here you can get the code of your chatbot. All right, so for now I'm not going to connect it to a website, and firstly I'm going to turn on this toggle button, and after enabling the AI assistant, I'm going to click on the save AI assistant. And here you can see it says AI assistant saved successfully. All right, so here if you wish to see the knowledge base that I've uploaded over here, then let me open the knowledge base for you. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the knowledge base that I've used to build this AI assistant, and this is the entire knowledge base for my restaurant. Alright, so now after seeing the knowledge base, let's move forward, and then I'm going to click on the save AI assistant once again. And now after enabling the AI assistant, let's go and test this AI assistant. So for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. And for that, what we are going to do is we are going to click on this inbox, and firstly we need to enable the AI assistant on our chat. So this is a chat over here, and here I'm going to turn on this AI assistant over here, and then I'm going to choose the AI assistant that I've just right now created with the name Spicecraft Bistro, and then I'm going to save it. And here you can see it says AI assistant enabled successfully. That means I've enabled the AI assistant for this particular chat. All right, let's go to our WhatsApp, and here let's suppose that I'm a customer and I'm going to drop the text as, hey, I need help. And it says, of course, how can I assist you today? So here I'm going to drop the text as, please tell me about your restaurant. And here you can see the message that we have received that says, sure, Spicecraft Bistro is a homegrown Indian restaurant, and this is the entire text. So here let's give the text as give menu. And here you can see the menu that we have received over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing AI assistant that we just right now created using our Pabbly Chartflow account. And now here, if you wish to add this AI assistant to your website, then you can also do that. Alright, so this was all about the AI assistant that we created in this video. Now if you wish to learn about some more amazing AI assistants, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chartflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create many other chatbots with Pabbly Chartflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please try Pabbly Chartflow for free today.